Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to display your WordPress posts in a grid layout without installing any plugin. So it's a clean method that works in 2025 with a default WordPress tools. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for WordPress. You need to basically come here in your WordPress admin dashboard. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and you can either click on the option of pages or you can also click on the option of add post. It is going to redirect you here in this page where you can basically edit your page in this grid. Now over here, you will see this plus icon. So first of all, you can give the title of this page. After that, you can click on this plus icon. Over here, you need to simply search for query loop, and here you will find this type of query loop in front of you. So over here, you can click on this option and choose the option of grid from the layout style. It should look something like this. You can also click on the three dots right next to it, and then you can also create a pattern, or if you don't like it, you can also delete it from here. Then you can again select the option of query loop. After that, you can either choose, and here once you choose it, you can use the search bar here in the top and search for grid. So this is going to look something like this. So this will automatically puts all of your latest posts and display them in a neat grid. So this one you can use. You can also customize this grid. For that, you can click on the change design option here in the top. After that, you can just change its design. You can also use the custom and the default settings here in the left hand section. Once you are done editing, you can click on the option of publish in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now your post will be displayed in a responsive grid without any extra plugins. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.